So just double the amount of suds, that solution you're using. So instead of 100, use 200 milliliters. Instead of 3 ounces, use 6 to 7 ounces. Fill the rest of the bottle up, and you will get your desired foam thickness to use on your vehicle. That's it. Mr. Pink solution, got the bigger bottle, and then the chemical guys, what is the snow foam cannon. And what I was talking about the solution, diluting it on the bottle, I don't know if you can see, has 100 milliliters, 200 milliliters mark. It is a 1 liter bottle. First day I tried the 100 milliliters and the rest with water, didn't get the desired foam. Filled it up with 200 of solution and the rest with water, and I got that desired thickness. So Mr. Pink, 200 instead of 100, 6.5 ounces instead of 3 ounces, and you are all set to go. And this is the adjustable snow foam cannon, so the mouth opens and closes, and then the air top. So that's it. So I don't know what pressure washer you guys are using, just as an idea, so I can show you guys what I'm using. If you have any questions about that, it's a Craftsman. Bought it at Lowe's. I think I spent like $350. 3200 max psi, 2.4 max gallons per minute. Yeah, Honda motor, 190 GCV. I just bought it, so I don't really have any reviews on that, but seems to work great. And like I said, just use the 200 milliliters instead of the 100 milliliters recommended, which would have been 6.5 ounces instead of 3 ounces, and it seemed to work great. Echo, she's deaf, don't mind her. Yeah, I get the irony in that.